In winter of 2016, Google released the next version of the Android operating system, codenamed Marshmallow. At the same time, JetBrains, who makes Android Studio, released a new version of Android Studio that had some significant differences. And we've seen some of those differences in the previous video about making Android Studio match the walkthrough videos. But there's one other thing that's quite a bit different now. If you go to DeveloperAndroidCom, and you go to the Develop tab, and you go to Training, this stuff here is actually quite a bit different than the tutorials that I go through in the walkthrough videos. And I actually think they're a little more difficult to learn because the default project is now a little more complicated than it used to be. So what I decided to do was create a mirror of the previous version of DeveloperAndroid.com. And I put it up on my Spot directory. So for example, if I go to spot.pcc.edu/mgoodman/ and then the rest of this path is the same, here's what that page used to look like when I did the walkthrough videos. And for example, adding the action bar, none of this stuff is here on the developer.android.com site anymore because the action bar was de-released and so the tutorials were removed. And we're going to use them in lesson 3 to get started. So rather than just Googling for things and going to developer.android.com, I'd like you to come here to spot.pcc.edu/mgoodman instead. So here's the root, developer.android.com under spot.pcc.edu, develop, training, building your first app. Now this is a copy of somebody else's copy, and the copy that I took was broken. So I've tried to fix it up in various ways, but if you run into occasional issues, let me know about them and I'll fix them for you.